Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing great. So I got the Figma design for our UI part, and by the way, if you haven't watched the last video, in that I have explained that what problem we are trying to solve and what application we are building. So finally I got the Figma file for the UI part. So let me show you that what are the pages we have, what are the components we have, because in this particular project I'm going to follow a different approach. Like whatever approach we have taken in the previous project, this is going to be a little different. I want to show you that how the real application built in the real world. When you will work as a UI designer, when you will work as a smart contract designer, when you will work as a API developer, how you have to build that step by steps. And that's what I want to follow here. So here I have the entire Figma file. Again, I will share this entire startup file in the description, so you guys can click and download and have a look from your end. So you can see that this is what we have covered in the last video. So let me zoom a bit. And this is the entire presentation I've given, that what problem we are trying to solve and how we're going to design the entire model of our application. So make sure to watch the last video. And here I will bring it down here. So our application will have 3 pages. So this is the home page, and you can see that in this home page we have multiple components. So we have our logo, it's a kind of animation logo, so this is one component. Now we have this navigation bar, this is one component. We have this title, this is one component, and then we have this entire form component, which is divided in multiple components which allow the user to upload their NFTs. So we have the profile, we have buttons, we have this upload models, and if I scroll down here, you will find that here we have the filter. So let me zoom a bit and let me show you. So we have this title and we have this filter component, so they can easily able to filter the entire data based on the wallet address of the user. They can select the recent and old one. So this is the one component we have, and this is the component for the NFTs. So it's a card, you can call it card, but it's a NFT. And this we're going to display the information about the profile, address, when the NFT is created, and the descriptions. And then they can click on this button to copy the URL of the NFT, and they can simply click on the image to go to the NFT detail page. So we have this component. Now if I bring it down, then we have this entire footer component. So this is the entire home page of our applications. Now I want to bring it here, and this is the detail page. Here in the NFT detail page, you will find that a lot of components are repeating. So like we have this navigation bar, we have this product detail page. So if I zoom a bit, we have this buttons, we have this text, we have the images, and we are using the same card component to display the NFTs, related NFTs, and we have the same footer. So this is going to be our product detail page. Now we're going to have this API detail page. So we're going to have this entire header bar, then we have this title, and we have this components. So these are the components. So in this we're going to provide the information that how user can make an API request and what are the API endpoints we have here. So we have get all, get single, we have the like what it is, it's a call upload, create NFT, then we have the login, and then we have the sign up, and then we have the footer. So neat and clean, very beautiful. And if I come here, so this is the upload component. So they can simply upload the image and they can assign all the details like title, descriptions, and the email ID, and they can choose the category which they want. So this is the upload component. Then we have another component which is one is for sign up, because we are integrating API. So we're going to need the information about the name, email ID, password, and password confirm. So this is again the sign up component we have. And there is one more component we have for the login. So this one is the login component. They can put their email and password and they can log into our applications. So these are the components we have. Now we can bring it down here, and you can see this is the API, the same one we have here. So a lot of components is repeating. You can see the design is absolutely beautiful. I really like this design and the gradient color they have included. So what approach I'm going to do is, first we're going to build the entire component. So that's the approach we're going to build it. First we'll build the entire component. Once the entire component is ready with the demo data, all we have to do is to take that component and plug in the home page, in the detail page, in the API detail page. So all we have to do is to plug those components, and that's the approach we follow in the real world when you will start working as a front-end developer, API developer, and a smart contract developer. That's the approach I'm going to follow in this project. So hope you guys have liked this entire Figma design entire UI part, do let me know in the comment section that you guys are excited and you're going to build this particular project. So what I will do is I want you to come and simply get the starter file. Here I have provided the starter file in the descriptions. Click on that and you can come to this particular GitHub repo and you can download the entire starter file. In that I have provided you all the images which I'm using, all the colors which I'm using. So that's all you will find here. And here I have mentioned a couple of links which you can simply follow that to have more information. So that's the thing I want to share with you all, guys. Now tomorrow, maybe the project is almost ready. Tomorrow I'm going to upload the video in that I will show you that what you will build exactly and how everything will look when every functionality will come together. So tomorrow a video will come, so you guys can follow that. Then you will have a better idea that how the project is look when it will be deployed. So that's the only thing I want to talk about in this video. Hope you guys have got an idea that what you are building, and trust me, this one is amazing project. If you spend some quality time, give your entire focus, you will learn a lot of things. You will not learn only about smart contract development, API development, security, but you will also learn that how you can plan any type of application, how you can break down the application into a small component in terms of feature, in terms of functionality, in terms of UI. So that's the approach I'm going to take this in this project, and I want to teach you every single thing which you have to know. So once you complete this entire project, you will learn almost everything which you need to get a internship, to get a job, and to get a freelancing project. So hope this video helpful for all of you guys, and if you still have any confusion, any doubt, do let me know in the comment section, and do let me know in the comment section that you guys have liked this particular UI part, the Figma design. So see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.